Miss Miraculous HP here.
And Bob.
Yeah, and Bob. King Bob. All hail King Bob.
Thank you.
And
That's Cousin Bob over there. That's what I
thought you said I was Maid Bob.
Huh?
I thought you said I was Maid Bob.
Yeah, your Cousin Bob now.
Never mind.
So
Today we're going to be making slime without glue or activator.
Well, yeah, without glue or activator. And what you're only gonna need
is you're going to need a bowl.
obviously.
Yeah,
You're gonna need
water.
2 teaspoons of water,
Which, like, we don't have set up right now, but, like, we could easily get that.
any color of food
I
coloring,
picked purple.
and
Salt.
3 teaspoons of salt,
Yes.
1 tablespoon of body lotion, any type you want.
Any type of body lotion. Doesn't matter. This is
You're
just
gonna need 5 tablespoons of flour.
It's wheat flour, but you could use any type of flour, we think.
Well, actually, this isn't wheat flour. This is regular flour.
Yeah, this is regular
The
flour.
recipe called for wheat flour.
You
but
could use
we're
any
testing
type of
it
flour,
out.
though. I think.
But if you don't feel comfortable doing that, it's okay. If you have wheat flour, use it, please.
Yes.
But we're just testing it out. And if this fails, please do not be mad at us. We are testing this for the first time, but we didn't have time and the ingredients to make it twice. So
Yeah.
that's why we're doing
And
this.
if it fails, maybe we'll do it again, but I don't know.
We'll try again. But we also have coconut flour and almond flour, so we'll try with
And then
those
we have
later.
these measuring spoon thingamajings.
And so let's get started.
Okay.
We are,
So we have our bowl. That's the first step.
yep, and you're
For next
going
step, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of water.
and you're gonna go get the water. So we'll pause in a second
Wait.
because we forgot about the water.
Okay, guys. So
Oh,
it's okay. That's why I got.
we spilled it a little bit, but it's okay. It's a little warm. But I figure that'll work better.
Yeah. So we have our water.
And now we're going to take. Mackenzie, stop spilling it.
I'm not spilling it.
2 teaspoons. So 1 teaspoon.
1 tablespoon or tablespoon.
That's a teaspoon.
Oh yeah, teaspoon. Never mind.
But we're gonna make a big batch, so I think we're gonna do twice as much.
Okay. I'm doubling it.
Yeah, I'm done.
So guys, we're just doing the double.
Oh, Mackenzie!
We'll be back in a second. So we're back, and we ended up tripling it.
Yeah, we like quadrupled it.
She did.
Yes, we had enough water and we cleaned up the catastrophe that happened. Oh dear. There's the case. Okay, sorry guys.
So now still gonna need any color
Food coloring. We're using purple.
You remember how much it said?
No, it didn't say. So it's one.
Okay, so we did 3 drops. Hopefully that works.
And now you're gonna mix it in. I'm gonna use the same teaspoon we used
No,
for water.
alright.
We're gonna grab a regular spoon. My husband's gonna grab a regular spoon real quick. And you're just gonna mix that in a couple times. So now we're mixing it in.
And sorry guys, this is our first slime video, as you guys know.
Okay, so now you're gonna take in 1 tablespoon of body lotion.
This is what it should.
It should be as thick as that.
Kind of watery.
I just wanna see.
Mackenzie, why don't you hold on? Let mommy help you in a minute. You gotta be careful. There's no way that big bucket from that little bucket with you. Mackenzie, look at it. You're already swimming in your iPad. You're going to ruin it.
Okay, guys, we are back and we added in the food coloring. Be any color. Added in the body lotion. So for the body lotion,
Sorry guys, we had a big catastrophe again. So.
yeah, no, not huge, but so you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of the any. Well, we did 3 because we're obviously tripling the recipe. But for regular, you're just gonna add 1 in. Any body lotion, doesn't matter. And stir it, and now you're gonna add 3 teaspoons of salt, which Bob has started doing.
I have 2 in there right now. And I'm going for 3. I'm gonna do 1 more since we are tripling the recipe.
Yeah, yeah.
And actually, I did not do 3 tablespoons of body lotion. Sorry for that.
So we're adding 1 more thing of body lotion. I think that got pretty well.
And then you gotta take.
You
your
gotta
spoon.
take your spoon and kind of
Scoop
scrape
it
it
out.
a little, yeah.
Okay. Mackenzie's gonna.
I figured
try
it out.
that out. And then, so you're also. now
And
you're
guys,
gonna take the wheat
it looks kind of
flour,
disgusting right now.
5 tablespoons.
Hey,
Oh,
Stormy,
yeah,
away.
clean out this.
Do you need help?
Look, yeah, can you? It's what's inside. what's inside. So this is what it looks like, kind of like a weird consistency. And you're just gonna stir it.
I was just gonna say, I was literally gonna say, am I getting paid for this gig?
Okay, so
Next.
I'm cleaning out the spoon right now because I gotta put this the powder into
You know
it.
your camera's upside down, right?
Yes. Well, now we're upside down.
No, you're not.
I need a knife. Probably should have got that before I did this.
Now you're blocking. You're covering the camera. Sorry, guys. So you're gonna you would have kept stirring, and now it's like a battery kind of mix, like this. So it's kind of like battery, as you guys see.
Sorry guys, I can't find silverware.
Right?
I know
Sure.
what you're saying.
It's in an island drawer.
Next pieces.
We're so sorry guys, we're so unprepared for this video.
I know. Like it just kind of came up. Oh, and yes, there's a little Doge back here. Ah!
Oh my gosh, that turned out really good.
Doggo,
Mackenzie.
get away.
What are they making?
Slime?
We're trying to make slime.
It's not turning out so.
Trying to make what?
Slime?
Don't you need to
Slime.
quadruple that? Oh, yeah, I got it more.
No, I gotta add 5 in.
How much was it?
It didn't say, but I'm doing 5, maybe. No, it said
Stormy?
5. And now I feel like we should only do 5 because this is really strong. So,
Yeah.
Come here, Storm.
and wheat flours I feel like is not as strong as regular flours. So,
It's kind of sticking together. Sort
yeah,
of.
that's what the flours are.
This is kind of what it looks like now. So you can see it's
It looks
kinda-
like dough.
Yeah. You can see it's kind of come together. I think this is not gonna. I don't think this is gonna fail anymore.
Okay, can I stir? I'm really good at stirring.
Yeah, this is what it looks like.
Bob needs to stir. Okay, it's turning out so good. Honestly, I didn't think this was gonna work.
I thought it was gonna fail.
Me too. Oh my god, this
Like
is
we
gonna
watched
be
the
so
video.
fun.
And yeah.
But I
It
know
was
it's
not.
super.
I don't. It wasn't a YouTube video. It was like some just video or whatever.
It was a little difficult, and we thought it was gonna be hard to find a video like this, so we wanted to make one for all of our followers and stuff. So
Yeah. And for you, if you guys are new to this channel, I guess now we do slime video.
maybe
We're gonna do some Encanto vids, some Harry Potter videos.
Bob vids. Can you get some more flour? And if you need to add in more body lotion or flour, feel free to do so.
And also, it's called Miraculous HP because, how do you do this?
Just
Oh my
chop
God.
it.
Yeah,
There you
there you go. Good job.
Because we do Miraculous Ladybug videos and Harry Potter videos, that's good.
Okay, that should be good. That was a good one. Okay, so we added
just
in
worried
about
that this is
7.
gonna
So
fall.
But that's because we added in about 6. But like,
we might need to make another batch because this turned out a lot smaller, even though we used 3 times the ingredients.
it's okay though.
I think
So-
you're fine.
I think we need more flour.
No, I think it's fine. It looks fine.
It looks like raw Play-Doh.
I think it's upside down though, because the time's upside down.
It's fine. We're not upside down, so that's good.
I don't think we need more flour.
Look.
Okay, we'll add like a little bit more in. Not doing the full thing. We'll do about half.
There you go.
Stormy,
That's not even half.
why don't you use the half a tablespoon?
Oh,
There is no half a
Yes.
tablespoon.
Mackenzie, you're...
Oh my god, Mackenzie. You're so clumsy.
Klutz.
Yes,
Klutz.
She's such a klutz.
Just so unaware.
Where's one half?
I can't... Oh my god. Mackenzie's getting flour.
Stormy's eating the flour. Just
Stormy, you're gonna get a stomachache.
This is what making slime is like.
yeah,
Not.
when you're doing it with Mackenzie. Okay, that should do the trick. That's super good. Here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna use my hands.
Now it looks like it's coming apart.
No, it's not. You gotta mix. Oh my god, it's like Play-Doh.
Oh yes, it's
Oh my
kind of
god.
sticky though.
Oh my god. Yeah. This is why we needed more flour, Mackenzie.
It's sticky, but it's like fun. How do I get this thing off of me? To put some on my hand so I can get it off of me.
Use your other hand, Mackenzie. That's why God gave you two.
Oh my god, this is so difficult.
If this doesn't turn out, guys, like I recommend putting flour on your hands before you play with this.
Yeah, that was a good idea.
When I was here last time, I looked out the window at your spa. It's huge. I've never seen a spa that big. It's like a swimming
Okay,
pool.
so here's
not
your
that big.
slime. It's kind of like Play-Doh more than slime.
It doesn't.
But we hope you enjoy it, and you might need to add more flour and knead it more. But
Or if you don't want to, just put flour on your hands before you play with it, because then it won't stick. But it's really fun. It's not super stretchy, but
Some kind of animal walked across your patio.
Yeah.
it's very fun.
and please subscribe and leave a comment down below.
And it kind of feels like Play-Doh, but it does.
Bye.
Bye, guys.